If there's one thing I can say for certain after setting up thousands of lead generation campaigns, it's this. The more personalized your campaign is, the more sales you're gonna get. When I first started my advertising agency over 4 years ago, I could send 3,000 plus emails a day without even so much as a first name and still make sales. But times have changed. The average person receives 121 emails every single day in their inbox, with the majority of them being the same copy and paste message over and over again. So even just a small amount of personalization can help you stand out in a sea of sameness. The problem is that manually using personalization is incredibly time consuming. If you assume that on average it takes 2 minutes to personalize a message and 3 minutes to send a message, and you want to send 200 messages a day, that's about 1,000 minutes that you'd be spending personalizing and sending your messages, or just over 16 hours. But what if I told you there was a better way? Introducing BeHuman.ai. Now, as a caveat, I am not currently sponsored by them, but I think that what they're doing is pretty cool, and we've had some clients see some great results in using them. The process is simple. Step number one, you would record your template. So you'd record any short video on their platform using your webcam, your phone, or any exterior camera. In your template, you could say stuff like first name or last name or business name or whatever other information you're gonna have about this prospect or client that you can use to feed into their system. Speaking of feeding into their system, step two is gonna be to connect your data. So whether you're importing a spreadsheet through Google Sheets, integrating it with over 5,000 different apps they have, or directly connecting it with an API like Zapier or Make, for example, BeHuman.ai is gonna use this data and integrate it with your template to turn your videos personalized. And of course, step three is going to be to send your videos. Whether you want to do it over LinkedIn, cold email, or directly through their platform, you're going to have the ability to generate literally thousands of personalized videos in a matter of seconds using their AI.
This is BeHuman in 60 seconds. AI Studio is currently our main product. It's where you make personalized videos at scale you can send to your audience. It all starts with a template where you literally say the words you want to change in your script. So for example,
hey name, I just got notified.
Go to create and you'll see there are 3 options to get your template. Make your own, or you can use one of our hundreds of community templates so you don't have to film a thing. Let's make a video for Jason.
Hey Jason, I just got notified.
Now let's make our own video. How's it going? This is Dawn, but how do we get it to our audience? We can upload a spreadsheet, connect to Zapier, connect to Powerly Connect, connect to API, or use LinkedIn. Here's a list of my customers, and somehow my ex got in there too. Hit generate. Our videos are done. Hey, Death Machine. How's it going? We can send them out over email, SMS, or LinkedIn directly from the platform. Or you can use API or upload into a platform of your choice for sending. You can collect responses, Calendly links, anything you'd like directly from your audience. Let's send this out. Here we have the video for Anna, the video for Maria, and the video for Dawn. All your customers have to do is click play. And that's BeHuman in 60 seconds.
This doesn't just work for cold messaging. You can use this same software for other places you want to add personalization, such as when someone signs up to your email list, books a call, or gets on a sales call. Is the video perfect? Absolutely not. But most people can barely tell the difference, especially if they're watching it on 2x speed. Be sure to also check out this video on the 4 AI lead generation tools that we use in our company.